In this video, I'll show you how to easily refresh your Google Drive sources in NotebookLM using a helpful browser extension. I'll start by opening my Essential Features notebook to check my current source list. As you may know, the default interface doesn't provide a direct way to sync changes made to your original Google Drive files. To fix this, I'm heading to the Chrome Web Store to find the NotebookLM Google Drive Source Refresher. I'll click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once that is installed, I'll head back to my Notebook tab and click the browser's refresh button to reload the page. Now, if you look closely at the Sources panel on the left, a new Refresh Drive option has appeared right next to the Select All checkbox. I'll click that, and you can see the extension immediately starts working its way through my files. It identifies each source and syncs the latest data from my drive automatically. It only takes a few moments to cycle through the list, and once it's finished, it displays a Done message. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.